All right, so we have a piece of clear bra here that we're gonna remove. You can see it has some impact marks right there on the front. So we're gonna take this clear bra off. Now the only thing I'm thinking is right here where it kind of tore it. It may have some damage, but I'm anticipating that once this is all off, all that damage you see there is gonna go away with the clear bra. So, okay, so let's watch this. Just gonna steam and lift. Okay, this is pretty severe right here. Actually ended up bumping into another car. That's how it happened. Oh, you see it coming off right there. All right. Let's just look. So you can see under here, it's like nothing ever happened, just like brand new. So what we're gonna do is replace this clear bra, but just wanted to point out that if you are ever considering getting clear bra or want to know why it'd be good to have it, this is a perfect example. If this wasn't on there, it would have scratched the paint, probably would have damaged it, the plastic a little bit, and then you'd have to redo the front paint job, which would cost a lot more than just replacing the clear bra. So smart move on the customer's part. We're happy to be able to help them out. If you have anything like this or want to get your car clear bra'd, reach out to us here at Pro Auto Spa.